Now that we're connected to our controller instance, we'll prepare it for the image building process. First, let's clear the screen. We need root privileges for some operations. Execute sudo su to switch to the root user. Listing the contents, we see the PAMonCloud BYOI directory that contains our tools. Next, we'll navigate to the specific directory containing the image building scripts. Change the directory to the command shown. Let's confirm our location with pwd. Listing the files, you'll see zip files for different cloud providers. We're interested in the AWS-specific image building toolkit that came with the PAM self-hosted on cloud component we downloaded from the marketplace and made available on this controller. Next, we'll unzip the toolkit to access the necessary scripts and configuration files. Use the unzip command on the downloaded file to extract the Packer scripts and other essential components into the current directory. After unzipping, let's clear the screen and verify the contents. You'll now see new directories, including Packer scripts and a keys folder. Let's examine the README file located in the keys directory to understand its purpose and contents. This note confirms that we need to place our license.xml and recpub.key files into this keys folder for the image building process. Now that the toolkit has been unzipped, the controller is ready for the next step. In the following video, we'll place the license files into the keys directory.